All-On-X therapy is replacing an entire arch of teeth with a number of dental implants, which can range from a few implants up until 6 or 8 implants. Dentures are poorly tolerated by most people because they're not anchored in place. They move a lot when you're speaking, when you're chewing, so most people desire something fixed, just like their natural dentition. Dental implants offer the best solution for a fixed restoration. Most people are candidates for full arch dental implants. Sometimes insufficient bone is cited as a reason for not going forward with treatment. However, there are options now where implants can be anchored in the zygomas or the cheekbones in order to support a full arch prosthesis. All-On-X therapy is the gold standard for replacing an arch of teeth. It is a fixed restoration that doesn't move when you talk, doesn't move when you eat, and most people are very satisfied with that outcome. Just like natural teeth, All-On-X therapy and fixed restorations do require regular maintenance and cleaning. This can be fairly simple for patients to adapt to just by rinsing under the prosthesis with a water pick. All-On-X therapy can be really life transforming to someone who's been in a poor dental state of health or using a poor fitting denture for many years. Because it is a fixed option, teeth that don't move when you talk, don't move when you eat, and that can be a life-changing thing. Whether you have one missing tooth or many missing teeth, please call us at Creos for an evaluation so we can move you forward to the next step in achieving a healthier smile.